Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Canton. This one is stunning. We're here in Canton's best kept secret, the Ravines. 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 half bath, Cape Cod, first floor office, first floor master, first floor laundry. We back to a pond, daylight finished basement. The list goes on and on and on. You gotta check this one out. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful detached condo. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. We also built a custom website specifically for the Ravines that you can check out at www.ravinesub.com. Thanks and have a good one.